Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect SugarCRM to Outlook for synced meetings and tasks. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To connect SugarCRM to Outlook for synced meetings and tasks, start by launching your SugarCRM application. Navigate to the settings by clicking on your user profile in the top right corner. Scroll down and find the Email or Outlook Integrations section in the Settings menu. Click on the Connect to Outlook option to begin the integration process. You will be prompted to provide your Outlook account credentials. Enter your Outlook email address and password, then click Authorize. Follow the on-screen instructions to allow SugarCRM access to your Outlook account. Once authorized, return to the SugarCRM settings page. Look for the synchronization options related to meetings and tasks. Select the types of data you wish to sync between SugarCRM and Outlook. For meetings, ensure the option to sync calendar events is activated. For tasks, enable the synchronization of tasks or to-do lists. After selecting your preferences, click on the Save button to confirm your settings. Now, open your Outlook application to check the integration. Look for a new SugarCRM add-in or toolbar within Outlook. You may need to restart Outlook for the changes to take effect. With the integration in place, create a new meeting or task in either application. Confirm the changes are reflected in both SugarCRM and Outlook. This completes the connection process, ensuring seamless syncing of meetings and tasks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.